What's up, people? It's your boy Custer310. I'm here for another video. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but like I said, I got some great content coming up, due to the COVID. So make sure everybody stay safe out there, wear your masks, you know what I'm saying, do your thing. But that doesn't stop me from doing what I'm doing, being safe. So I have a small video for you. Shout out to the Epsilon family. Shout out to Soundstream. Shout out to Jordan, Brandon, Hugo, Solomon. Shit, if it was for Solomon, man, we wouldn't even be where we're at today. So, and like I said, there was a lot of people involved. Autotech Engineering. Shout out to Y-Bass. Shout out to Bangin' Bros. So, what I'm saying, we showing some love out here. But let's go ahead and get to the surprise. Oh, I can't forget about my boy, Big Dre 20. So let me show you what I got. So, as you guys all been hearing, we got the Team Soundstream subs. Ooh wee. So I'm gonna try to open this up so you guys can see what we're working with. And as you can see, number 2. So, man, shout out to Epsilon family, man. They really, like I said, they really been taking care of us, showing some love. So let's check this out. I haven't got there yet. I need a side cameraman. Thought about getting one of them GoPros and then just attach it to me, but then I won't be able to do multiple angles and stuff like that. So I'm actually going to be starting up my YouTube. I posted a couple videos. I really didn't promote it too much, but it's up there. If you look up Custer310 hashtag, you definitely can start seeing some content. And then I also tag in my other fellow brother, Big Dre 20. So please bear with me. This is what you're gonna get when these two become available to the public. You know what I'm saying? A little something. Soundstream, of course. That's her right there. So give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and put you down for a second, and then so I can get this out. And yes, this motherfucker's heavy. So, like I said, this is a Team Soundstream X5.12. They also come in at 15 as well. So I got a build coming up, a little something. Me and the team, 2021, 2022. Better be on the lookout, cause you thought we was banging then, you thought we was loud then. Oh, y'all got something coming. So like I said, we'll be installing these soon. Solomon's gonna be helping me out later today. We're gonna install that, get everything going, button up, and I'll be revealing my little project I've been working on. So like I said, we will keep you guys posted. And also, this is my platforms here if you guys want to follow: Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. Also I have YouTube, so I gotta add that sticker as well. That's the hashtag. And like I said, just holla at me. Well, it's your boy Custer310, and we out. Make sure you wear your mask, stay safe. Lates.